Thunder and Lightning by Linda B. Ross. Thunder and Lightning by Linda B. Ross. Have you ever seen a thunderstorm? If so, you know it can be frightening. First, the sky gets dark. Next, you see flashes of lightning. Third, you hear a burst of thunder. A lightning flash is quite hot. It is even hotter than the sun. It can start fires and burn trees. If you are near a place with trees, go inside a building or a car. Never stand under a tree during a thunderstorm. What must you do or boating on a lake? Get to shore and seek shelter fast. Lightning can hit the water. That is why every man, woman, and child must get out of the lake. Where is the best place to be when a thunderstorm strikes? The best place to be is safe at home.